How to make invisible knots in your projects in less than 5 minutes. Here we go! Hi everyone, my name is Sana and welcome to Raining Beads. To start most of your projects, I recommend leaving at least 4 inches of thread tail. So, when you have the first beads in your thread, it's the perfect time to make 2 knots. Then pass through your needle for the next bead and continue with your beadwork. I assure you that at the end of your beadwork, no one can guess where the knots are. Now is the perfect time to like, save this tutorial and subscribe to the channel. This will help me continue to create new videos. To finish your pieces, pass your needle below your main thread line. No matter where you choose to do it, it always works. Then pass your needle inside the loop and tighten the thread. Then loose your thread for several beads and cut it off. Finally, take the tail of the thread that we left at the beginning and loose it for several beads as well. When you are done, you can cut it. See how my piece looks. Can you tell me where the knots are? Leave a comment and tell me if you know this way to secure your projects. Thanks for watching and happy beading! Bye!